Hi everybody, my name is Evan Cruz. I'm with Cruz Farms in Roseburg, Oregon, and I'm a member of Douglas County Farm Bureau. So today I'm still farming outside. It's rainy, a little bit too wet to be out in the fields. So we head indoors, and I am getting our hay mower conditioner unit ready for the year. So this is my still farming. I'm inside almost inside. But what I'm doing here is I'm replacing blades, and these guys here, we call them turtles. The soil here in Douglas County, or actually just in my little part of the world, we have soil that comes from the eruption that created Crater Lake. It's very abrasive, so our steel parts wear out very fast. The nice thing is we get good iron supplementation in our soil without having to add it. The bad thing is we get to replace a lot of wear parts. So we have new blades going on, and really the quality of the cut depends on good new blades, and I'm trying to find a set of old blades. Well, you can see right down here what some of the old blades look like. But also I'm replacing the turtles because there's worn spots where it actually eats through this plate here. So anyway, I like to tell people one of the neatest things about farming is that you don't tend to do the same thing every day. You might do the same thing for a few days in a row, but it's a very dynamic job. So even though I'm still farming, I'm like one of the previous videos, I was in a greenhouse. Well, that greenhouse is almost empty now, and we're moving on to the next thing, and then moving on to the next thing. When you grow 50 or more crops, it gets to be a ever-changing endeavor. So once again, this is Evan, Douglas County Farm Bureau. I'm still farming. I know a lot of my friends are still farming, so keep on, keep safe, stay healthy, and keep farming.